Hello. In our previous class, we were discussing about the idea of electric field. We have understood what is source charge and what is a test charge. In this class, we will try to understand what is meant by electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. Before we define what is electric field intensity, we will consider a source charge Q placed at point O in vacuum. We know this source charge creates a region around it. This region around a source charge is called as electric field. This region around a source charge is called as electric field. Now, suppose I want to measure the strength of electric field at point A. At point A, we need to measure the strength of electric field. What is the strength of electric field at point A is to be measured. How to measure the strength of electric field at point A? The strength of electric field is nothing but electric field intensity. To measure the strength of electric field at point A, what you have to do is you need to place a unit positive test charge at point A. In order to measure the strength of electric field at point A, place a unit positive test charge at point A. We know whenever a charge enters into an electric field, it experiences an electric force. You measure the force experienced by this unit positive test charge when placed at this point. That gives us the strength of electric field at that point. So, electric field intensity is defined as electric field intensity at a point in an electric field is defined as the force experienced by a unit positive test charge placed at that point. So, if you need to know what is the strength of electric field at this point, you place a unit positive test charge at this point and measure the force experienced by it. The force experienced by unit positive test charge placed at a point gives the strength of electric field at that point. So, the strength of electric field or electric field intensity is given by E is equals to F divided by Q naught. This is the formula for electric field intensity. So, electric field intensity at any point in the electric field. See, this is electric field. Electric field intensity at any point in the electric field is defined as force experienced by unit positive test charge placed at that point. More is the force experienced by the test charge placed at this point, more is the electric field intensity. Less is the force experienced by the test charge placed at that point, less will be the electric field intensity. Let us suppose a test charge of 1 nanocoulomb be placed at point A. See, we have placed a test charge of 1 nanocoulomb at point A. See, point A lies in the electric field created by the source charge. When 1 nanocoulomb of charge is placed at point A, let us suppose it experiences a force of 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton. So, a test charge of 1 nanocoulomb when placed at point A experiences a force of 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton. Then, can we calculate the strength of electric field at this point? This point hatra electric field strength estade find out madaboda andre that can be done. We know that electric field strength or electric field intensity at any point is defined as force experienced by unit positive test charge placed at that point. We know what is the force experienced by this test charge. force experienced is 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton divided by the amount of charge placed at this point is 1 nanocoulomb. Nano means 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb. So this will be equal to 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. So the electric field at this point, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ electric field strength ಎಷ್ಟದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the electric field strength at point A is 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. This is the strength of electric field at point A. This is the idea of electric field intensity. So electric field intensity at a point in the electric field is defined as force experienced by a unit positive test charge placed at that point. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ electric field strength, say you need electric field strength at point C. What is to be done is you place a unit positive test charge at this point. Measure the force experienced by this test charge. Force experienced by unit positive test charge gives the electric field strength at this point. More is the force experienced by the test charge at a point, more is the electric field. Less is the force experienced by a unit positive test charge placed at a point, less will be the electric field. This is the idea of electric field intensity. With this idea of electric field intensity, we will try to write a small note on electric field intensity. See, the SI unit of electric field intensity is Newton per coulomb. See, we define electric field intensity as force experienced by unit positive test charge. We know force is measured in Newton and charge is measured in coulomb. So the SI unit of electric field intensity must be Newton per coulomb. This is the SI unit of electric field intensity. We will try to write the dimensional formula of electric field intensity. The dimensional formula of electric field intensity is E is equals to M1 L1 T minus 3 A minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for electric field intensity. Electric field intensity is 1 in mass, 1 in length, minus 3 in time, and minus 1 in current. A represents electric current. So this can be worked out. We know electric field intensity is defined as force experienced by a unit positive test charge. Force can be written as mass into acceleration, and charge can be written as current into time. Since we do not know what exactly electric current is now at this point of time, you need to just make a note that charge can be expressed as current into time. We know mass can be written as kg in its SI units. The SI unit of acceleration would be meter per second square. The SI unit of current is ampere, and that of time is seconds. So this would be kg meter second power minus 3. When this second goes to numerator, it becomes second power minus 3. Here we have minus 2. Goes to minus 1. Second power minus 3 and a power minus 1. From this, we can write the dimensions of electric field intensity as 1 in mass, 1 in length, minus 3 in time, and minus 1 in current. This is the dimensional formula for electric field intensity. With this idea of dimensions of electric field intensity,
You should also note that electric field intensity is a vector quantity. Electric field intensity is a vector quantity. That means electric field intensity has got both magnitude as well as direction. See, we know how to calculate the magnitude of electric field intensity. Magnitude of electric field intensity can be calculated using the formula E is equals to F divided by Q naught. This is the formula using which we can calculate magnitude of electric field intensity. In our next class, we'll understand how to find the direction of electric field intensity. This is all regarding the basic idea of electric field intensity. So, go through what is electric field intensity. Remember the formula for electric field intensity. Remember the SI unit of electric field intensity, the dimensional formula for electric field intensity, and note whether electric field intensity is a scalar quantity or a vector quantity.